to our community. This is a social media style platform where you can share your makes, use hashtags to browse patterns and materials, and connect with other sewists. I'm Kate from Minerva, and I'll be sure to link my personal profile down below if you'd like to follow me here. I'm so glad you're joining us for this video. Today we are talking about the Modal loopback French terry. I'm going to share with you what it's like, how it works, so you can kind of see it in action to get an idea of what you're going to think of it when you get it. Keep in mind you can use hashtags to explore these different fabrics, and when you are on the product listing you can scroll down to see if other people have made anything with these materials. And don't forget to look into the Minerva Craft Club account if you want constant savings. There's also a great little coupon code when you sign up for a Minerva account, and this is totally free, but it does open up a lot of opportunity for you to connect with other makers. One last thing, if you could hit that follow button above this video beside our name, that would be really great. It just means we're gonna show up on your feed so you don't miss any future content. Now, onto the fabric. So like I said, this is the Modal loopback French terry in the sand colorway. I will say it does tend to go a little bit pink in certain lighting, so if that's not really your thing, there are a bunch of other colorways for you to choose from. This is 95% Modal and 5% Lycra. Modal is a semi-synthetic man-made fiber similar to something like a rayon. It's a cellulose fiber made from beech trees, and it's super breathable, being 50% more absorbent than traditional cotton. So it's really great for different types of athletic activity. It goes through an extra process compared to a viscose, which makes it more resistant to shrinking and pilling. This fabric is a knit fabric with 60% horizontal stretch and 20% vertical stretch. It is Oeko-Tex certified, and it is oh so luxurious. It has this beautiful drape and flow, and it is very easy to work with. I definitely recommend it for beginners. It has a nice weight to it. I would say it's nearly heavyweight, and the inside has these loops, hence the name loopback French terry, making it super, super cozy, great for things like sweaters or cardigans. I think it would also be great as a sweater dress for this cozy winter season. Thank you so much for watching, liking, sharing, commenting, following, and being part of this community. I can't wait to see what you create.